have 2 years old Samsung fridge. Something wrong here. It's just no temperature control, only light inside. Nothing working. Stopped cooling yesterday, and we're gonna check what is the problem, what is the issue with this guy, and let's go do repair. We open the control board's bay and discover one of main control boards has no indicator light, in other words a status light, so we're gonna replace it. We replaced the control board, and let's see if it helps us. Now we have control, temperature control. We can play with desirable temperature. We can use water dispenser as well as ice. Ice is still there. We have all the lights inside and fully worked control.